Good morning, children. Welcome back to your Hindi class. So in the last class we were just studying second lesson, Bachpan, right? So I hope that you remember the portion what we have learned, and in that lesson, you know that our writer, she is just saying about the difference which had come from her generation to our generation, and she says the changes which has occurred in dressing, then food, and then the places where she has visited in her childhood, then the fruits what was available in those days. Then she says about the horse ride she has enjoyed during her childhood in Shimla. Then she was saying she visited a place, then a church she has visited, and the sound of the church was heard till for a long distance. Then she describes the evenings of the Shimla. Up to that we have completed in the last class. Now we will start the next paragraph. Okay, so I'll read the line and you have to follow it. Okay. सर्वर्स कैंडल पॉइंट के ठीक सामने उन दिनों एक दुकान हुआ करती थी जिसके शोरूम में शिमला कलका ट्रेन का मॉडल बना हुआ था. So in this line, server word meaning we have already learned, and the meaning of server is mainly. Scandal point, the place this scandal point was explained in the last class, and that is the place where many of the people used to come to join and to observe the sunset and all. So that is the scandal point, that place. उसके ठीक सामने, just next to that place, उन दिनों एक दुकान हुआ करती थी. In those days, in her childhood, there was a shop, okay, जिसके शोरूम में शिमला कालका ट्रेन का मॉडल. So in that showroom, there was a model of Shimla Kalka train. Here you might have seen Delhi Kerala train like that, no? So here she is saying that she has seen a model of train Shimla Kalka. It's a place, the train which moves from Shimla to Kalka, like that. So शिमला कालका ट्रेन का मॉडल बना हुआ था. There was a model made and exhibited in the shop. Okay. इसकी पटरियां, the rail of those train, that train, उस पर खड़ी छोटी छोटी डिब्बे वाली ट्रेन. So here she is explaining the model, how it was, how was the model of the train. Okay, and the train was Shimla Kalka train, and it was it was on a pattari. Pattari means rail. The train was in a rail. Okay, it was in a rail, and the train's bogies were very small because this is a model, right? It's a model train, so its bogies were very small, and those bogies were kept in a rail, model rail. एक और लाल टीन की छत वाला स्टेशन, and in another side of the model, she could see a station with red roof. लाल टीन की छत वाला means roof. So the station's roof was red in color. Okay, so in the model she can see a train on a rail, and its bogies were very small, and the station where it was landed, where the trains were parked, there that station's roof was red in color. और सामने सिग्नल देता खंबा, and next to that station there was a khamba. Khamba means post, signal post, and थोड़ी दूर पर बनी सुरंगें. Surange means tunnels, and there was a tunnel also through which the train used to pass. Okay. So here she has explained about a shop where she remember about a model of a train, and the model train's name was Shimla Kalka. It's a place name with the train which moves from Shimla Kalka. That train's model was made and exhibited in the shop. So it is explained there in this paragraph. Next one, पिछली सदी में तेज रफ्तार वाली गाड़ी वही थी. And पिछली सदी में, in last century, तेज रफ्तार वाली गाड़ी, रफ्तार means speed, तेज means high speed train was this one. In her childhood there were so many trains. In that trains, this Shimla Kalka train was it was having very high speed. That's why they have just made a model of this type of train and exhibited in their showroom. Okay. So पिछली सदी में तेज रफ्तार वाली गाड़ी वही थी. In my century, in the last century, when I was child, at that time this train was having high speed. कभी कभी हवाई जहाज भी देखने को मिलते. एंड समटाइम्स, कभी कभी मीन्स समटाइम्स, हवाई जहाज प्लेन, एरोप्लेन भी देखने को मिलते. दिस ऑल्सो वॉज दे वेर एबल टू सी. दिल्ली में जब भी उनकी आवाज आती, बच्चे उन्हें देखने बाहर दौड़ते. एंड इन Delhi, whenever the children were hearing to the sound of this aeroplane, they just rush out of their house to see that. Okay. So कभी कभी हवाई जहाज भी देखने को मिलते हैं. And sometimes the children were able to see the aeroplane also. And why she said that कभी कभी, sometimes, because in those days aeroplane was not much popular as now. Okay. So only once in a while they could see the aeroplane. At that time when they hear the noise of the aeroplane, they just rush out to see that aeroplane. Okay. दिल्ली में जब भी उसकी आवाज आती, बच्चे उन्हें देखने बाहर दौड़ते. They just rush out of their house whenever they hear the sound of the aeroplane. दिखता एक भारी भरकम पक्षी उड़ा जा रहा है पंख फैलाकर. And it looks like, दिखता है means it looks like, the aeroplane looks like भारी भरकम पक्षी. भारी भरकम पक्षी means huge bird, a huge bird. So here the writer Krishna Saubhati says that the plane looks like a huge bird which is just moving by spreading its wings. Okay. Pankh means wings, phailana means spread. So when the children looks at the aeroplane which moves through the air, they feel that it is like a big bird. By spreading its wing, it is flying in the sky. Like that they feel. यह देखो और वह गायब. And just for a sight only they can see that aeroplane. Means only one glance they can see. Just they cannot see the plane for a long time because that much fast it moves. So only 1 second they can see the plane. उसकी स्पीड ही इतनी तेज लगती. एंड इट्स स्पीड लुक्स वेरी हाई. हाँ, गाड़ी के मॉडल वाली दुकान के साथ एक और ऐसी दुकान थी जो मुझे कभी नहीं भूलती. एंड शी जस्ट वांट टू से दैट, हाँ, yes, I just remember one more thing, that गाड़ी के मॉडल वाली दुकान के साथ, the shop where the model of the train was kept, along with that shop एक और ऐसी दुकान थी. One more shop was there जो मुझे कभी नहीं भूलती, which I could not forget. Okay, so she's saying there was a shop, she just explained that the shop where the model of the train was kept, and along with that shop she cannot forget about another shop which will be explained in the next line. यह वो दुकान थी जहां मेरा पहला चश्मा बना था, and that shop was the shop from where she has bought her first spectacles. Okay, so here she's saying, I could remember, I cannot forget that shop which was next to the shop where the model was kept, from where she has bought her chashma means specs. वहाँ आंखों के डॉक्टर अंग्रेज थे. So that shop is like a clinic based shop. Okay, clinic also is there. The people can just check their eyesight also. Along with that clinic there was a shop they sell the specs also. So here she says that was the shop from where she has bought her first specs. And वहाँ आंखों के डॉक्टर अंग्रेज थे, and the doctor of that clinic was a British person. He was not an Indian, he was अंग्रेज, British person he was. शुरू में चश्मा लगाना बड़ा अटपट लगा था, and in the beginning when she started to wear the specs, it was like atpata means very strange. She felt very strange to wear this specs at the beginning. छोटे बड़े मेरे चेहरे की ओर देखते, and everyone, either it is younger one or elder one, everyone उस मेरे चेहरे की ओर देखते. They looks at my face और कहते, and they says that आंखों में कुछ तकलीफ है. Do you have any problem with your eyes? तकलीफ means problem. Do you have any difficulty or do you have any problem with your eyes? इस उम्र में ऐनक, and in this small age you are wearing specs. दूध पिया करो, and they advises her that you should drink milk so that you will get sufficient vitamins, and you have to eat nutritious food so that your eye power will be good. Like that they used to give advices to her. मैं डॉक्टर साहिब का कहा दोहरा देती, and what she does when others starts to advise her, she starts to just repeat the sentence which was said by the doctor. Okay, so when she went for a checkup of her eyes, the doctor also suggested that you have to use the specs. At that time she was not much happy to wear the specs, and the doctor has said her that it is only for time being. If you are using the specs continuously for a long time, for a period of time, you can change that. Okay, so the same sentence she also used to repeat to others. When the others gives advice to her to drink milk, to have nutritious food, at that time she used to repeat the same sentence which was said by the doctor. See, मैं डॉक्टर साहिब कहाँ दोहरा देती. डॉक्टर साहिब का कहाँ दोहरा देती. कहाँ means saying the words of the doctor. दोहराना repeat. She just said again the words of the doctor, and what was the doctor? कुछ देर पहनोगी तो ऐनक उतर जाएगी. If you are wearing the specs for a period of time, you can avoid that. Okay, but for a period of time continuously you have to wear, and once you are wearing it for a period of time continuously, you can avoid the specs. Then next paragraph. वैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने पूरा आश्वासन दिया था, and Dr. Sir has given full, he has consoled her that you can avoid the specs after a while, after a period of time you can just remove the specs. Like that consolation was given by the doctor, but लेकिन चश्मा तो अब तक नहीं उतरा, but she was not able to leave the specs till now. Okay, so at first when she went to doctor, he said that for a period of time only you have to wear it. After that you can change. After that you can leave the specs. But the way how the doctor consoled her, it was just to console her. Okay, it was not true, because till she has to wear the same specs. Same specs in the sense, not the same specs, according to the eyesight power, she has to change. Okay, number बस कम ही होता रहा. And the number means here that it is a measurement, like the eye power, each eye power has a measurement like 0.1, like that measurements are there. So that was increasing. Kam hona means it's a decreasing, but we says that our power is, eye power is getting, it is decreasing. That's why she has to continue with the specs. मैं अपने आप इसकी जिम्मेवार हूँ, and I am the only one person responsible for this. जिम्मेवार means responsible. ओके जब आप दिन की रोशनी को छोड़कर रात में टेबल लैम्प के सामने काम करेंगे तो इसके अलावा और क्या होगा. देन शी सेज दैट इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग योर वर्क इन द डे लाइट, दिन की रोशनी मीन्स डे लाइट. ओके जब आप दिन की रोशनी में को छोड़कर रात में टेबल लैम्प के सामने काम करेंगे, इफ you are not doing your works in the daylight and you are doing it in the light of table lamp, then इसके अलावा और क्या होगा. Then what else can happen instead of this? Instead of this means instead of being losing the eye power, nothing else can happen. So she's saying, she wanted to give some advice also through this line, that whenever you are writing or whenever you are studying, you have to, it is preferable that you have to do it in daylight time. Okay, and the bulb, if the light which comes from the bulb, if it is not improper, then it may affect your eyesight too. So हाँ, जब पहली बार मैंने चश्मा लगाया तो मेरे एक चचेरे भाई ने मुझे छेड़ा, देखो देखो कैसी लग रही है. देन शी सेज, yes I remember what happened. जब पहली बार मेरे चश्मा लगाया, when first time I started to wear the specs, at that time एक चचेरे भाई ने, one of my cousin brother ने मुझे छेड़ा. He started to tease me that देखो देखो कैसी लग रही है, see look at her, how she looks like. Okay, so once my cousin brother visited my house, and when he saw me wearing the specs at first time, he started to tease me that, like, see how she looks like. The next page. आंख पर चश्मा लगाया ताकि सूझे दूर की यह नहीं लड़की को मालूम सूरत बनी लंगूर की. And this is a phrase, not phrase, like something like a saying. Okay, like it means that see this girl, she thinks that the specs she is using for good eye power, but she looks like a langur. This is the sentence said by the boy. आंख पर चश्मा लगाया ताकि सूझे दूर की means she has kept the specs to see properly. यह नहीं लड़की को मालूम, and she doesn't know that सूरत बनी लंगूर की, her face looks like a langur. Langur means monkey. Okay, it's a kind of monkey. Clear? Now monkey itself, many different types of monkeys are there. In one particular type of monkey is called langur. So monkey you can say, but langur word is, there's a slight difference in common monkey like langur. So मैं खिंची कि मुझ पर यह क्यों दोहराया जा रहा था, and I was irritated. खींचना means irritated. I was irritated that why again and again they are teasing me like in this way. Okay, मैं खींची कि मुझ पर यह क्यों दोहराया जा रहा है, why they are repeatedly teasing me in such a way. पर शेर बुरा न लगा, but the saying I like. The saying I like, yeah, it was good to hear, like आंख पर चश्मा लगाया ताकि सूझे दूर की, यह नहीं लड़की को मालूम सूरत बनी लंगूर की. That saying I felt good, but I was irritated. Why again and again they are teasing me like this? Okay? जब वह चाय पीकर चले गए तो मैं अपने कमरे में जाकर आईने के सामने खड़ी हो गई. See, I was irritated. Why they are, and I was thinking why they want to tell me again and again that I look like monkey. So, जब वह चाय पीकर चले गए, when they had the tea and went back to their house, at that time मैं अपने कमरे में जाकर आईने के सामने खड़ी हो गई. I went to my room, I went in my room and I just stood before the mirror. आईना मीन्स मिरर. ओके, कई बार अपने को देखा, many times, for a long time I spent in front of the mirror. आईनक उतारी, I just removed my specs from my face, then फिर पहनी, again I wore it, again I removed, देखती रही and I just continued to see me, to see my face. See, she was confused. Why this boy, why my cousin brother was again and again calling me like monkey, langur. Okay, so what she did, she just went to her room and again she started to check whether any fact is there in what he said. Then it is said, Surat bini langur ki nahi. See, Surat bini langur ki. So she is again repeating the same sentence which was said by the boy. Oh, my face. Surat means face. Bini langur ki. Oh, my face looks like monkey's one. Nahi. No. Ha. Yes. So she was confused whether it looks like monkey or not. Okay. मैंने अपने छोटे भाई को टोपा उठाकर सिर पर रखा. And what I did, I just took what topa means hat, and kept on my head. I just wore the hat of my brother. Kuch ajeeb laga. It was something like strange. See, if you are not used to do something and if you are doing it, all of a sudden you will feel like strange. Here also, the writer, she was not using the hat, and all of a sudden when she tried it, she felt something strange. अच्छा भी लगा and मजाकिया भी. She felt good also, strange. At the same time she felt good and at the same time she felt interesting too. मजाकिया means interesting too. तब की बात थी, अब तो चेहरे के साथ खुल मिल गया है. And this was a matter of those time. Those time she felt strange, interesting and good. But now चेहरे के साथ खुल मिल गया है. Now it is just matched to my face. What she's saying about the specs. At that time she felt something, it is like strange, wearing specs. Everyone was started to tease her. But now it has just mixed, it is just became a part of her face. Okay, so अब तो चेहरे के साथ खुल मिल गया है means just started to match with my face. And what started to match? चश्मा, specs. जब कभी उतरा हुआ होता तो चेहरा खाली लगने लगा है. And nowadays if I change my specs, it looks like something different. So before in my childhood, when I start to wear the specs at first, it was strange, and now when I'm removing the specs from my face, it looks like strange. याद आ गया वह टोपा, काली फ्रेम का चश्मा और लंगूर की सूरत. And I just remember about that hat and black frame specs and langur ki surat, the face of monkey. हाँ, इन दिनों शिमला में मैं सिर पर टोपी लगाना पसंद करती हूँ. And in these days I like to wear hat in Shimla. मैंने कई रंगों की जमा कर ली है. And I collected, जमा करना means collected. I collected different colors of hat. कहाँ दुपट्टों का ओढ़ना और कहाँ सहल सुफीते वाली हिमाचली टोपियाँ. And she says that it is very it is very good to wear the hats of Himachal, and it is comparatively wearing dupatta is much better. Okay, so this was the end of our lesson. Now we will listen to the video.
दूर फैले पहाड़ों के मुखड़े गहराने लगे। हर से बत्तियां टिमटिमाने लगी। रोज की रौनक और मॉल की दुकानों की चमक के भी क्या कहने। स्कैंडल पॉइंट की भीड़ से उभरता कोलाहल। सर्वर स्कैंडल पॉइंट के ठीक सामने उन दिनों एक दुकान हुआ करती थी, जिसके शोरूम में शिवराज गाला ट्रेन का मॉडल बना हुआ था। इस पटरियां उस पर खड़ी छोटे छोटे डिब्बों वाली ट्रेन, एक तीन की छत वाला स्टेशन और सामने सिग्नल देता खंबा। थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर पर बनी सुरंगें। पिछली सदी में तेज रफ्तार वाली गाड़ी वही थी। कभी कभी हवाई जहाज भी देखने को मिलते। दिल्ली में जब भी उनकी आवाज आती, बच्चे उन्हें देखने बाहर दौड़ते। दिखता एक भारी भरकम पक्षी उड़ा जा रहा है, पंख फैलाकर। ये देखो, और वो उसकी स्पीड ही इतनी तेज लगती। हाँ, गाड़ियों के मॉडल वाली दुकान के साथ एक और ऐसी दुकान थी जो मुझे कभी नहीं भूलती। ये वो दुकान थी जहां मेरा पहला चश्मा बना था। वहां आंखों के डॉक्टर अंग्रेज थे। शुरू में चश्मा लगाना बड़ा अटपटा लगा। छोटे बड़े मेरे चेहरे की ओर देखते और कहते, आंखों में कुछ तकलीफ है? इस उम्र में है ना, दूध पिया करो। मैं डॉक्टर साहब का कहा दोहरा देती। कुछ देर पहनूंगी तो ऐनक उतर जाएगी। वैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने पूरा आश्वासन दिया था, लेकिन चश्मा तो अब तक नहीं उतरा। नंबर बस कम ही होता रहा। मैं अपने आप इसकी जिम्मेवार हूँ। जब आप दिन की रोशनी को छोड़कर रात में टेबल लैंप के सामने काम करेंगी तो उसके अलावा और क्या होगा। हाँ, जब पहली बार मैंने चश्मा लगाया तो मेरे एक चचेरे भाई ने मुझे छेड़ा, देखो देखो कैसी लग रही है। आंख पर चश्मा लगाया ताकि सूझे दूर की। ये नहीं लड़की को मालूम सूरत बनी लंगूर की। मैं खींची कि मुझ पर ये क्यों दोहराया जा रहा है, पर शेर बुरा न लगा। जब वो चाय पीकर चले गए तो मैं अपने कमरे में जाकर आईने के सामने खड़ी हो गई। कई बार अपने को देखा, ऐनक उतारी, फिर पहनी, फिर उतारी। देखती रही, सूरत बनी लंगूर की। नहीं। हाँ, मैंने अपने छोटे भाई का टोपा उठाकर सिर पर रखा। कुछ अजीब लगा, अच्छा भी और मजाकिया भी। अब तो चेहरे के साथ घुल मिल गया है चश्मा। जब कभी उतरा हुआ होता है तो चेहरा खाली खाली लगने लगता है। याद आ गया वो टोपा, काली फ्रेम का चश्मा और लंगूर की सूरत। हाँ, इन दिनों शिमला में मैं सिर पर टोपी लगाना पसंद करती हूँ। मैंने कई रंगों की जमा कर ली है। कहाँ दुपट्टों का ओढ़ना और कहाँ सहज सहल सुखी वाली हिमाचली टोपी।